Home. It's where our families build a future together and where we make memories that last a lifetime. But for far too long, a first home has been out of reach for far too many. It's time to change that. While other parties talk, our plan will crack down on unfair practices. We'll help you get your down payment faster or even rent to own. And we'll get well over 1.4 million families into new homes. Let's make housing fair and affordable and keep moving forward for everyone.
Oh guys, finally after working 2 years, 2+ years, I could afford to take mortgage for my new home. This is amazing. This is
It's beautiful, your new house.
I have island, nice island, kitchen island, the kitchen. I have everything. I have kitchen is totally assembled. All this furniture comes in cost.
Wow.
Of the house.
How much did you pay for this house?
So the total cost of the house is just 200,000. I was very
Oh,
lucky to find
you're
it.
very
It's
lucky.
in BC, by the way.
Show us around.
Table.
Oh, your new table. Wow, what a view.
The view is amazing. Just a house for 200,000, guys. This is almost impossible to find in BC.
It's a beautiful house.
I've spent literally like 3 months looking for the housing to find something like that.
Wow, the view is amazing.
You're in the forest.
You're very lucky to own such a
And
beautiful
also
house.
I also
Wow.
have some TVs here.
Wow.
And yeah, it's so nice. So guys, who is going to celebrate me? My new
Your new home?
my new, I'm inviting everyone to my new house to celebrate because I finally made it. Okay, there's another part.
That's another part of your house?
Yeah,
Your bedroom?
But that's a bedroom.
Oh, wow.
That's why. So this is one bedroom house. Unfortunately, that's what I could afford in 2 years. Bedroom, and there's direct access into bathroom there.
Wow.
So
And you even have a closet. Wow,
the
my
closet,
God.
Yeah. So the closet, we saw some of my stuff that I just moved. That I had a little bit of time, so not everything is here now.
I see.
But
How
nice
about
mirror.
the washroom? How about the
Washroom, washroom is here. You want to see?
Yeah, please. Show us.
This is the washroom that I have. It's
Wow.
directly like so. Yeah, it's integrated into my bedroom, so it's very convenient actually.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I wanted shower, but yeah, like I couldn't. Actually, to make shower is more expensive, and like I just had just to keep the bath because yeah, I just didn't want to change it. And I have double sink, like that's very convenient.
Fancy. Oh my God.
So that's like I'm gonna have bigger family, like so there will be there's not going to be line for like washing hands.
Absolutely. For your big family.
Wife, husband.
You're such a rich person to be able to afford such a place.
Or I should maybe change one thing. I'm not sure.
Wow.
Yeah.
Like it's all.
Most stuff in this house is
Yeah.
actually from IKEA.
Yeah.
So that's
Looks
because
that
I wanted
everything is from IKEA. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
yeah. So I just couldn't afford like anything like luxury.
Oh my God.
And that's the place I work where I work from home. So unfortunately I don't have like a cabinet, so I had to like integrate my working place into
What kind of computer is that? Is it an Apple?
no, that's a Lenovo actually.
Lenovo. I
That's
see.
a Lenovo.
Beautiful house.
Yeah, that's actually the company provided me with a laptop.
Are
so-
these your pictures from your trips around the world?
Actually, that was already included in the cost of
Oh,
it. Like,
wow.
I already was with that. So
Wow,
when I
you're so
purchased
lucky.
It already was there.
So lucky. Wow.
Yeah. I mean, I think all houses in Canada they come furnished.
Yeah, absolutely. Like this
All of the
one.
new houses, I mean.
Like this one, of course.
So yeah, we actually forgot to film my corridor.
The entrance of
The
your
entrance,
house.
Yeah, so you just walk in.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the corridor.
You have your closet for your jackets.
So all of the jackets,
Stuff like
So
that.
the mirror. This is the hanger for umbrellas, some bags, and some stuff. And we have like
your hallway.
Corridor, yeah, and the washing. You can see the hydro
Yeah,
is there.
the washing machines.
Washing machine. That's pretty much it actually. There's nothing.
It's not huge your house, but it's beautiful. And you even have a washing room.
Yeah, washing room. Yeah, that's yeah. That's
Oh
laundry.
wow,
You can film out laundry.
laundry room.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's beautiful.
Yeah, it's not like it's a separate place. Yeah. So there's the two washers.
Oh my god.
Because I have to wash more stuff because.
Now that you are successful and you have to go to the office with tie and a suit, you're really
It's not how you look, it's like what kind of person you are, and how. I don't think look matters.
but this video.
I'm gonna actually try to keep this house as simple as possible. I think I'm gonna get rid of half of the stuff I have.
Yeah, you should make it more minimalist
Exactly.
in Vancouver.
Yeah, exactly.
All right,
I
that's
can give you
perfect.
address, link in the description.
Link in the
address, come
description.
visit me,
Like, subscribe, comment if you like this video,
please. Yeah.
and follow us on TikTok.
Some TikTok. please.
TikTok. All right. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Filming. Oh my god.
What?
Ciao ciao.
So right now we are at the restaurant because it was very tiring to visit his house. Such a huge house.
Yeah.
I mean, it's beautiful.
Really liked it, right?
I really liked it. I like the location. It's close to downtown, but it's not in downtown. You know what I mean? I really like that you live on 4th Avenue. It's like Kitsilano. It's beautiful.
Yeah, neighborhood is nice, safe.
I don't even know how you could afford something like that. So I'm envious. How did you afford it? Like mortgage or something?
I was first mortgage. What else? You think I was just collecting all of my money? You have 10 grandmothers to collect this amount of money.
Yeah, of course. For sorry.
Mortgage, 3% yearly. So
I'm too ignorant. I apologize. But we're finally enjoying
eating
food because visiting his house took like
we had to
it
buy
was
some furniture.
yeah, of course, for his house. Have you seen his beautiful bedroom? It was. I'm really envious.
Okay, the main point. Everyone was calling me cheap. I want to spend money on this guy. But you see what happened at the end?
Yeah.
I was literally saving every cent of what I was making. I was trying to scam the CRA, avoid paying taxes, and finally.
I think that's illegal, but
I mean, it's not like illegal. I was trying. I was having a good accountant guy. You know what I mean?
oh yeah, good accountant.
Many
Sure.
people just we're gonna pay this amount. Just don't touch me. I was doing everything seriously. I was researching.
Yeah.
It took me
How to trade
seriously,
Bitcoin? Huh?
3 years plus cryptocurrency that I was trading went up 2x. So that's how you make money, and that's
That's a lesson forever.
and that's what I'm saying. Like when in such a young age, I understand this such a young age you want to go parties, nightclubs, but also think about outcomes. Like you should earn enough money in very young age so that you can enjoy your life after. Like you can
Wow.
I can easily retire. My plan for retirement is 35.
Because you already
I'm
own
going
a
to
house.
retire.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, that's all. So I already own the house. It's a message for young generation. For just please work hard, and you will earn anything you want.